What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So happy to be talking to you guys today because we are almost in the middle of September, and I mean, I'm sure you guys have seen what the hell is going on. It is pretty crazy what is happening with GameStop stock right now. Now, unfortunately, I haven't had time to make a bunch of videos about what the hell is going on with GameStop stock, but it is obscene. A recoil is happening right before our eyes, and we are going to get into it right now. Before I do get into this video though, if you guys haven't ever seen my face, make sure to go down and subscribe, because I do just talk about GameStop and AMC stock, the two greatest stocks in the whole freaking history of the world. So GameStop earnings came out on September 9th, this past Tuesday. GameStop jumped up almost 10% from $22.50 up to $26.69. We did drop down a little back to $25 from $26.69, and I believe we are about to freaking squeeze, guys. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. You guys do whatever you want with your money. Roaring Kitty's brother, I mean, let's not get into that yet. First, let's look at the TA. The technical analysis. The Bollinger Bands were the tightest they have ever been in all of history. And when I say in all of history, I mean they have never been this tight, and they were tight for almost 10 days. They have never been this tight since the stock was invented. Since it IPO'd back in 2002, the Bollinger Bands have never been this tight. After the Bollinger Bands beating the tightest they have ever been, it is clear that we have a new trend, and it is to the upside. GameStop has now closed green for 6 days in a row. Almost every single day of September, GameStop has been green. And we got this little move up, down, and now we're going up. It kind of like reminds me of how it looked back here when GameStop moved from 10 to 12 back to 11, and then it started going up. That is exactly what I believe is about to happen with GameStop, and I believe we're going to break past $50 very soon. I mean, I believe explosive moves are coming. Everyone knows that GameStop has issued warrants now. For every 10 shares that you hold of GameStop, you now will get a chance to either exercise your freaking warrant at $32. If the price is above $32, I believe it will be above $32, maybe on freaking Monday. Who knows? What the hell is going on? Anything could happen. Now, guys, you know I love the tinfoil hat theories. But the tinfoil hat theory that we are going over today is going to make you jump almost. I mean, I would catch myself freaking screaming with excitement, because I hate to say that it's guaranteed, but holy shit, it's guaranteed. I'm just kidding. It's not guaranteed. You guys don't make any financial decisions based off of this video, but we're gonna go over some crazy stuff here. So as you guys know, I don't have time to be making videos right now. You know, it's a miracle I'm making a video today. So go follow me on X. My account is Mikey's_money. I'm more active on there. I post almost every single day. I was just looking, you know, at 3 a.m. like a normal human being. I'm not psycho. I was just looking at some pretty crazy stuff, and it was pretty insane. So I made this post. I said, GameStop, the more I look at this, the more it lines up. Roaring Kitty was following 91 people when he made his last post, 90 now. Roaring Kitty has 91 contributions on Reddit. Roaring Kitty has 9,001,000 shares of GME, another 900K in October. Roaring Kitty's own brother said September 2025 we moon. And that's what boggles my mind the freaking most. GameStop earnings on September 9th, 2025, something about the number 9, something about the chart looking insane. People are going to say that I got lucky next month. So this is on Instagram, and you guys could go see it for yourself. Kevin Legend 14. Anyone watching this video, I'm sure, has seen the movie Dumb Money. And we all know that Pete Davidson played Roaring Kitty's brother, Keith Gill's brother. Keith Gill has a brother. I mean, you don't think that his brother would have, you know, a little inside information of what Roaring Kitty knows about the timeline? So this post was made 1 week after Roaring Kitty went live in June of last year. And this random dude, Lincoln Baza, said when moon. Roaring Kitty's brother said NASA says September 2025. This was 63 weeks ago, 64 weeks now. Now, for him to say this, and for the chart to be looking like this, mind you, GameStop has been trading flat for 3 months now. Boom, gone. 3 months passed. GameStop did nothing. People want to cry about it. It's insane. The Bollinger Bands got tighter than they have ever been before. And now they issue warrants. Supposedly, you know, shorts have to find real shares to deliver. I don't know what the frick. I don't know what the frick. Don't come at me asking me about the warrants. You know, I haven't looked too much into it. I haven't had time. But for them to do something that they've never done before. For the Bollinger Bands to be tighter than they have ever been. For the ADX to be lower than it has ever been. Something insane. Something insane. And then it starts happening in September. Mind you, on the first day of September, we moved more than the whole month of August. Roaring Kitty's brother said, September we moon. What the frick is going on? You guys do whatever you want with this information. January calls are cheap, by the way. That's all I'm gonna say. So Roaring Kitty's brother said we freaking moon. I don't know. I mean, I would probably want to listen to this guy. He's probably the closest person to Roaring Kitty, Keith Gill, on the planet. So I would probably want to take some advice from him. These are some of the options that I have purchased over the past week. I'm a degenerate gambler. Don't follow what I do. But most of my call option money is in $40 calls expiring in January. Have some $30 gambling calls for October, and even a bigger gamble for this coming week, September 19th, $25 calls. So yeah, nothing but a gamble, nothing to see here. But with what I believe is about to happen, we are about to be freaking rich. We are about to be freaking rich. Today, September 13th, Roaring Kitty just unlocked a new achievement. So yeah, that's freaking good to see. And not only that, but Roaring Kitty started a streak on September 1st and September 11th. So Roaring Kitty started a one-day streak in September. I mean, I personally truly believe that this month is going to be huge and a requel is happening right before our eyes. And a lot of people might not feel like it, obviously, because we've been trading flat for a very long time. But I did catch this, guys. Obviously, you know, this middle post of the GameStop with the long freaking logo, it could be nothing, or Roaring Kitty could have been giving us a hint. It just looks so similar to the Bollinger Bands. And what do you know? In the month of September, we start moving up. And the move has just started, guys. It's not too late. The move has just started, and the Bollinger Bands are now widening to the upside, of course. To the upside. I don't know what you guys thought was going to happen. Did you guys think we were going to break this freaking resistance that we have built up ever since Roaring Kitty has came back? So if we bring up the 5-year chart, we have 3 rising valleys, and now on the 3rd rising valley, it is officially being created, and we're going higher. For all you freaking pussies saying that I've switched sides, AMC, GME, there is no sides. There is no side. I still hold my AMC shares, and I simply will buy more AMC shares with my call option profit. I will. Because I do believe AMC will follow the move that GameStop is going to have. You guys, I don't freaking care what anyone thinks. AMC is going to follow. It's as simple as that. So that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so grateful to be able to be talking to you guys right now. And I do apologize that I'm not able to make as much videos when freaking the biggest move in all of history is about to happen. Not financial advice, but when Keith Gill's own brother says in September 2025 we moon. When the Bollinger Bands are tighter than they have ever been since the stock IPO'd in 2002. I'm talking 23 years ago. And now the stock is moving up pretty aggressively. The stock has now been green for 6 days in a row. It just feels pretty squeezy. It feels pretty squeezy. So now is a good time. Once again, don't listen to me. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But now is a very good time to go into debt, go get a freaking loan of $100,000 and just go all in. That's honestly what I would do. In all reality. So you guys do whatever you want with that. I'll leave you guys to it. If you guys are new here, make sure to go down and subscribe. We're going back home very soon, so I'm going to be a little more consistent, hopefully. But that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to stay tuned on the channel. It's about to get real. I will keep you guys updated, hopefully. I'll try to make a video here and there. Once I'm back in Texas, we'll be freaking back for sure. But I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go, come on, push it,